lovely ghouls and ghosts. Welcome back to our Halloween special. Today, we're going to show you how to create a spooky glam Halloween hairstyle that will leave everyone spellbound. Whether you're a vampire, a witch, or just want to slay the Halloween game, this hairstyle is perfect for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Prepping your hair. First, start with clean, dry hair. Make sure your hair is tangle-free by brushing it thoroughly. This will make the styling process much smoother. Step 2. Section your hair. Next, divide your hair into 2 equal sections, one on each side. You can use a comb or your fingers to create a clean part in the middle. Step 3. Create loose waves. Now, grab your curling wand or curling iron. We're going for loose, beachy waves to give our hairstyle that effortless yet enchanting look. Curl small sections of hair away from your face, holding for a few seconds, and then release. Repeat this all over both sections of your hair. Step 4. Set the waves. To make sure those waves hold all night, spray a flexible hold hairspray on your curls. This will help them stay in place while you finish the rest of the look. Step 5. Tease and volume. Time for a little volume. Tease the crown of your head gently to create some height. This will give your hair that bewitching dimension we're aiming for. Step 6. Create the fishtail braid. Now let's add some drama with a fishtail braid. Take a small section of hair from one side, near your ear, and divide it into 2 equal parts. Take a tiny strand from the outer edge of one section and cross it over to the other. Repeat this on the other side. Continue this pattern until you've reached the end of your hair. Secure the braid with a clear elastic. Step 7. Pancake the braid. To make the braid look thicker and more lived in, gently pull apart the sections of the braid. This technique is called pancaking. Be careful not to pull too hard, as you don't want to undo your braid. Step 8. Repeat on the other side. Now, repeat the fishtail braid on the other side. Remember to pancake it to match the first one. Step 9. Join the braids. Time to bring those braids together. Cross the 2 braids over the back of your head and secure them with bobby pins. Tuck the ends under the braids to hide them. Step 10. Accessorize. To add a touch of glamour, insert some decorative hairpins or clips along the braids. You can choose spooky-themed accessories like tiny bats or spiders to match the Halloween vibe. Step 11. Finishing touches. Finally, set your hairstyle with a strong hold hairspray to ensure it stays put throughout your Halloween festivities. Make sure everything looks even and secure. Conclusion. And there you have it. Our spooky glam Halloween hairstyle is complete. This look is perfect for Halloween parties, costume contests, or just getting into the spooky spirit. Remember, you can customize it with your favorite Halloween accessories and makeup to complete your hauntingly gorgeous look. Thanks for tuning in, and have a fantastic Halloween! If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair and beauty tips. And as always, stay creepy and stay fabulous. Happy Halloween, everyone!